Hello collectors, again, got another one on the turntable. Lesney Matchbox 30B Magirus Deutz crane truck. These are the 4 variations I've got. 2 with black wheels, black bases. One has knobby wheels, one has finer wheels, treaded wheels. The hooks are plastic. The other silver one on the wheel has a metal hook and knobby silver plastic wheels. The tan one is a rarer one. I don't think that orange hook crane goes with it. It's original and it's out. They're all out of my collection. The tan one has been on a different video in the past. Thought I'd put on this one, give you a look. Rarer one. It was found in a barn find covered in dust with some others which I've documented before. Don't know where that video's gone. Anyway, subscribe, like if you want to, don't have to. Thanks for watching. Make a comment. Thanks guys, collectors, girls. See yous from Australia.